is you go around problems, so you find the path with the least amount of ice. So rule number 1, go around it. Rule number 2 is go slow, and slow can be defined in a lot of different ways. Again, that depends on how much ice is here. This is really gorgeous. This is the kind of ice that we're well known for here in Tracy Arm. Just look at this color. You got to be careful going around them because they can fan out. You know, you think about sonar, radar, GPS and all that. I do it more simply. I simply look out the window.